So over here at the fermentation vessel in my old part of the brewery, this is the last beer that come out of this part of the brewery until it goes to the other side. Here we are, coming down here into the sanitized bounce filter and followed into the keg. The CO2, which is in the keg, will go up and back into. So here we are. First things first, we want to open the tap here. Gently does it, and it's going to want to suck out the CO2 from here. So I'm going to add that spear on. Here comes the beer. I'm lifting it up to try to purge the pipe of oxygen at the same time. There we have it. So there is quite a bit of bubbles going on here. That might be CO2 coming out of suspension. I'm not too worried about that. You can just about see the level going down there. So I had about 25 litres in here, so I've got 3 kegs to fill today. See how that goes. It's quite a slow process. We're about 3/4 full here, I'd say, judging on how much beer is left the fermenter. And you normally see some condensation forming on the keg, but it's quite cold in the garage. The kegs are already cold, so we don't really see that. I can feel it's got some beer in it though, so that's handy to know that it's all working and not leaking. So this is where the main leaks come. That's probably a build-up of CO2 coming out of suspension there as the beer warms up coming out of the fridge. It's about 5 degrees in the garage. I cold crashed this to 2 degrees, so it's coming up 3 degrees as it's coming out of the fermenter. Just purging the 5 litre keg as well while I'm at it, because I'm getting 25 litres here, so I'm going to fill up the 5 and one of the 10s, and then hopefully the second 10 will be full or almost full. So one thing I do want to get used to weighing my kegs, see how full they actually are. 10985.0. Is that like almost 11k? Now I just need to weigh the empty one and see the difference. So here's an empty keg there, sitting at 2302, so 2.3 kilos. That one's empty. That's got the spear on top, the same as the other one. Here on the final keg, you can just about see the condensation forming there. It's got a few more litres of headspace there still, and there ain't much left in the bucket, so it's going to be about 8 litres in the 10 litre keg. That's fine, I'm okay with that.